गायब हो गई थी भाई, किधर और ज्वाइन करी क्या? फील्ड में नहीं आई क्या? मैगी इतना पीछे पड़ा तो छोड़
Looking absolutely glamorous. And in glamorous evening, mein, let's spill some tea together and, launch the trailer for Netflix's The Royals. What say? Yeah? Well, I could only hear Rohini doing that. Thank you, Ro. I love you. Well, it's lump sum. Well, it's a royal affair with full drama and chaos, Kamil, because it is a sizzling and sassy tale. Good to see you. Crumbling legacy se lekar soaring ambitions tak, you will get to see everything today. Bhool jao, I mean it. Bhool jao bahar ki dunya, because now you're in Royals ke beach, I say. Well, एक पैलेस के अंदर है ये कहानी शुरू. जमाना है नया, पर पुरानी है गुफ्तगू. Well, यहाँ पर है pearls, jewels और अनेक vintage कार. लेकिन शाही खानदान की लेगेसी पर सवाल है हजार. Well, कौन है खास, कौन है आम? Without a further ado, शुरू करें ये शाम. Well, मैं कहूँ रौनक होगी खास, लम्हे जो होंगे उनमें होगा नूर. सो शाही मोमेंट्स को कैप्चर करो और शेयर करो अपनी रॉयल टूर. इन शॉर्ट मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि प्लीज कीप योर मोबाइल फोन्स ऑन साइलेंट मोड, बट सी टू इट दैट you have it in your hands to capture the moment, because the moment we've been waiting for is right here. It is the spectacle. We call it the Royals.
Monumental.
कीर्तना कीर्तना कीर्तना
एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट. Guys, the palace doors have opened for the arms, please. मेरे हिल रोड वाले पर्ल्स ना कहीं घूम गए, मैं देख रही हूँ. एक मिनट बस.
कीर्तना, you look amazing. Let's go, please. हाँ?
No, we can't keep the guests waiting. Come on.
Yeah.
Hey, मैम, हम भी तो रॉयल्स हैं ना. हाँ, हमारे क्यों दरबारीज नहीं है, एस्कॉर्ट्स नहीं है? दो लेकर आओ हमारे लिए.
कीर्तना, मैं तुम्हें एस्कॉर्ट करता हूँ. Is that okay?
Oh my God, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Let's go,
Enough. Please, thank you, thank you.
Nice if you behaved yourself.
Well, Aviraj, you should practice what you preach. I am behaving myself, am I not?
Anyway, हमारी नोक झोंक तो चलती रहेगी. But on behalf of the Morpurs and Royal B&B, I would like to welcome all of you to the Royal Palace.
और आज के दिन आप सब के लिए हमने पहली बार हमारे पैलेस के दरवाजे खोले हैं, so that definitely calls for a celebration.
ज़र्रा नवाजी का शुक्रिया. दरबार के दरवाजे खोलने के लिए, हमें यहाँ पर वेलकम करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आप सभी का स्वागत. और सबसे पहले तो रानी सा खम्मा गणी. ओके देन, स्वागत है आप सबका. एंड जोरदार तालियां हो जाए फॉर द रॉयल्स. और क्या नजारा है, आमे खास, वन रूफ एक साथ. ये नजारा तो दिल को छू गया है. एंड आप सभी खूबसूरत दिख रहे हैं, पर भूमि आपके लिए 2 लाइनें। ए चांद मैंने भी एक चांद देखा है, तुझ में तो दाग है, मैंने बेदाग देखा है। शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया। वेल, रॉयल्स और आमिर खास के होते हुए तो ऐसा होता ही है ना, अंदर का शायर जाग जाता है। बट आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है और आप सभी का भी स्वागत है। आई होप एंड मुझे जानना है गुलाब किसे मिला? लकी यू। मैं कहूंगा कि गुलाब की खुशबू का एहसास। लकी वन, वो मोतियों का हार किथे? वो दे दो मुझे ठाकुर। अच्छा वाला। ऑलराइट, आई थिंक खास लम्हे के लिए जिसके लिए हम बेसब्री से इंतजार वो करते हैं शुरू। तो मेरी दरख्वास्त है आप सबसे कि प्लीज get those glasses, please raise that glass. और भूमि और ईशान, अगर आपकी इजाजत हो तो shall we raise a toast to the royals? Cheers! And the moment we all been waiting for. एक झलक मोरपुर पैलेस की तो है रॉयल रहने की, isn't it? Yes or no? How do you like the trailer? Fab, right? So if you like it, if you think it's fab, then you need to make a louder royal cheer. How are you? And to each and everyone who's involved in creating this, I know a lot of people are backstage as well. We want to hear you guys as well. Make some noise. You are about to sail. अब बुलाते हैं मंच पर the people behind bringing India's first modern day royal rom-com to life. Put India ki series head, please welcome Tanya Bami. Welcome Tanya, it's so good to see you. I request you please join us on the hot seat on the royal table. Yeah, that clap would be nice to welcome all of them, right? When you're walking in. कौन सोचता है, कौन बनाता है ऐसी कहानी जो कि है यूनिक, स्पाइसी, रोमांटिक? जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए creator, showrunner and producers represented today by Rongita Pritesh Nandi for Ishita Pritesh Nandi and Pritesh Nandi Communications. Sorry. 2 of the hottest gentlemen being chivalrous there, thank you for that. Next up, a writer is everything when it comes to Rajkumar and Am Kumari ki kahani, nahi? Now they are the ones that leave us with a cliffhanger at the end of every episode, leaving us wanting for more and more and more. Please welcome the writer of The Royals, Neha Veena Sharma. Welcome.
छोटी सी भी सीखते हैं, सीख लिया करो।
छोटे छोटे लोगों से छोटी छोटी चीजें
भाई ये जुगलबंदी ऐसी होनी चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे जुगलबंदी शुरू हो गई। But whatever it is, I'm glad the chivalry is rubbed off not just here but also on Aamir Khas, which is a good side, right? So welcome to all of you, welcome to the writers, creators, producers, all of you rocking. Let's have a huge round of applause for the entire packed house, rather the packed table right here, the royal table. काफी सारे सवाल है, so पहले मैं पूछ लूँगा, उसके बाद we'll open the floor for media Q&A. Is that okay? Sure. Nain, don't give me those stares. Yeah, thanks. Nain के through मुझे ऐसे मार डाला वहाँ से. But yeah, okay. How are you doing? Good to see familiar faces. All right, I have a couple of questions before we open the floor for media Q&A. And hi, Bhumi. Yes. Now that's a little intimidating for me.
I have that effect on people.
I'm not denying that for sure. And my first question is for Rongita.
Climax. I was ready. I was like, yeah, sure. My first question is for Rongita.
देखो
but rightfully so.
मुझे रॉयल्स की साइड से ही शुरू करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर. So I'll have to go that way.
एक सेकंड, वो इन इस ब्यूटीफुल सीरीज की क्रिएटर
I know.
दोनों
पर
साइड
अभी
पे
इस तरफ बैठी है तो उस तरफ मुझे वहीं से शुरू करना पड़ेगा with.
clarify. Exactly.
So my first questions for you, and आप तो truly, जैसे कहा कि creator तो महारानी सा है आज की, yeah. The chaos is fantastic. This cast that tops. That is fantastic. Miss Creator, how do you think of this idea in a romance show, but in the midst of modern day royalty and with all these wonderful actors?
Oh, I got greedy. I got very greedy when it came to the actors, and it didn't hurt or help that I had Netflix who pushed my greed. Not with deep pockets, as you would imagine, but just with wanting this fabulous cast as much as I wanted it. So the cast came together because it was a shared dream. But you know, I've always been a girl obsessed with love, with romance. And when we had this opportunity to work together, Tanya looked at me and said, Rangita, fresh, young, vibey. And I said, romance. And she said, yes. And, but anybody who knows me knows that I don't think I'm boring, at least. No. You know? But when it came down to it, you had to take the romance and shake it up. So you had this absolutely gorgeous Maharaja with a crown. And you assume he has the palace and the money. But comes into this picture, this gorgeous entrepreneur, sharp as sharp can be. And she has the palace and its keys. So I think that's the beauty of this, that we flipped it. You've taken the money out of the hands of the royals, you've stuck it in the world of entrepreneurship, and you've created chaos with a dysfunctional family, with this fabulous Nawab that you see next to me, with the world of work potato. And that chaos just pushes the romance to an escalated, elevated level. So yes, that's where it all came from. And then Netflix allowed us to run and have fun.
Well, we can't wait for the chaos to unfold on the 9th of May, and wishing the best. Thank you so much for working with them.
Actually, there's a story to tell here, a story before the story. You know, a couple of New Year's Eves ago, I think it was 2 years ago, that December, we had a meeting with Rangita and Ishita, and it was our last meeting for the year. And you know how last meetings are, you know, for the year. You're really looking forward to going into your Christmas break and maybe take some much-needed downtime. And then we had a 45-minute planned, which ran into many, many hours, because we started discussing how much we wanted to work together. They have such a unique tone in the kind of content they bring. I think this whole intersection of India with cool, a contemporary tone of voice, we definitely felt that that's a tone of voice that would really enhance our slate. And then the shared romance that we had even before we knew, which was about the genre, because आजकल पता नहीं क्यों लोग love stories नहीं सुना रहे. So we had to, you know, really bring a love story onto the platform, and what better way to bring it out than in this royal way. And then, of course, I think the ambition grew. Soon after the new year, they came back with this idea which subverted the genre, like she rightly said. For me, the most beautiful part about the story is that it takes classic royalty and you know, intersects it with modern day royalty, which is entrepreneurs, and then add a touch of humor with fading royalty, fading money, all of it fictional, of course, and really bring together this very interesting concept with very interesting cast. And then when you look at this star cast that they've put together, what is there not to love? It was literally, they had us at hello, let's say that.
Well, you know what? There's a reason why we call